Catalino, and we're here right now with the Nissan Navara Pro 4X to do a walk around with this Navara. The Nissan Navara Pro 4X is the top of the line pickup of Nissan. It is one of the best looking pickup truck we have in the Philippine market right now. It has 2.5 liter engine, 4x4 automatic transmission. Its wheelbase is 3,150mm and a ground clearance of 220mm, which gives you the capability of crossing knee-deep rivers or floods without worrying about the water going inside your cabin. The Pro 4X has a curb weight of 2 tons and has a payload capacity of 1 ton, which will help you in your business or your hauling needs, whatever you do, whether it's trekking, camping, overlanding, you name it. This Navara will serve your purpose. The Pro 4X has a dark gray grille with the Navara nameplate on top, and at the center you can see the logo with Nissan, orange accent. You can see here at the bottom of the bumper there's a black accent on the bumper as well with orange reflectors or indicators. Headlight is 4 LED projector with daylight running time lights. You can see the fog lights is projector LED with black garnish there as well. Of course, Pro 4X decal at both sides and fender flares with orange indicator or side markers. It is equipped with 360 camera which is located on the windshield, front grille logo, side mirrors, and tailgate handle. I like most about this Navara also is yung parang design dito sa trunk bed. No? Ito, parang anong may wing. So parang anong may spoiler or something like that. And see the flares, the fender flares has reflectors or indicators. I think that's reflectors, no? Tires has a black alloy OEM wheels ng Nissan wrapped with Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires, 255, 65, 70. You can see the red accent, no, the red stitch. The front seats, you can see the red stitch here as well. Tapos this design to support your back and your ano. It has Pro 4X logo here, exclusive for the Pro 4X, the Navara. And then you can see here the adjustments of the seats. It's electronic. It's there. Height. Here. So at the back, ganun din, no? Red stitch on sidings, seats as well. So yung design na yan parehas din dito sa may sandalan. There. It has enough leg room, no? Leg space. And you go up. As I said, wala din siyang grab bar dito para makatulong sana na mas madali ka makit sa sasakyan. So yun lang napansin ko dito sa Navara. Tapos ito lang yung grab bar niya. And as you can see, walang aircon vents dyan sa itaas. The aircon vents here at the back is here. Nasa console, no? Yan, you can only adjust it left, right, up, down. Wala siyang adjustan ng fan speed or the temperature, pero meron siyang type C and type A na USB ports, so you can charge your phone, your gadgets, etc. And it has enough leg room. Oh, see the dash. It's a Nissan Terra na dash, no? You can see there. Because here at the back it's also finish up if you need space, no, para makapag-cargo ng mga gamit. So you just have to tie it there. And here is the space for your tools, no, the jack, the early warning device. Kung wala ka ng space sa likod, you can put your things here. And you can see the bed space or the pickup bed. Decent, you can see there sun, plastic. It has huge space at the pickup bed, and as I said, it has 1-ton payload capacity. Right. See the tail lights, LED din yan. It has LED tail lights. Here at the back, you can see the parking sensors. And here at the front, so yung front passenger seat, manual na yung adjust ng backrest, sandalan. So like the traditional cars. And of course yung atras abante. Here at the passenger side, as I said, ito meron siyang grab bar, so you can easily go inside the vehicle. Pero yun nga, nakulangan lang ako dun sa side ng driver at yung sa rear, parehas walang grab bar. So sayang if meron sana, no. Sidings the same. Engine is YDT250. It's a 2.5 liter 7-speed automatic transmission. See here the turbo. It has electronic wastegate. See here it's neat and clean. The hood is kind of heavy to lift, So now it's time to do a test drive. So it's a push start button. Here. So here naman you can see here is like parang speaker or may mic din ata dito. So when you operate the call button sa here lagayan ng shades. Or nakalagay sa sticker. Tapos ito yung sensor sa camera, sa 360 camera, no? And then the dash, they have adopted the Nissan Terra dash. So wala na yung parang old na dashboard ng Navara na yung may parang center console dito na may lagayan, nalipat dito, so non-slip. Tapos you have here the cup holders, no? Tapos the armrest. The armrest is a bit maliit, parang maliit yung space. Pero okay din. And then on the gauge, you can change the info there. You can change the speed, the fuel economy, the trip meter, and then this here the navigation. Tapos yun the info of the music here for the blind spots, no assistance. That's here the settings. You can select the settings that you want to check there. You can see here the maintenance also. This maintenance. This is for if you're setting the mileage, kung kailan ka mag-check ulit ng oil and oil filter, the tires, and others. Yan. Select that. So now I'm on the display. I'm using the speed, of course. It has a built-in 360 camera that only works pagka medyo mabagal ang takbo, no? Especially when you're stuck in traffic or slow moving, when you're backing up for parking. So you can see that ayun yung sensor sa harap, the camera. If I put it in reverse, you can see may laning guide siya, no? Ayan. Mag-guide ka kung nakasentro ka ba sa linya or not when you're parking your vehicle. So sumasabay siya sa steering. See here on the side also, napasok ka na sa linya. So that's one thing good about the 360 camera function. There, tapos mag-warning siya if you're too close. You can do the park. Okay. Tapos you can do here map. So you can navigate. Click the menu. Ayan. So There's a lot of things you can do there, no, sa infotainment. Go to the settings. There you can say navigation, sounds, maps, apps. You can connect it to a smartphone. Tapos here's the climate control. You can control the aircon here on the other side, sa passenger side, if you want to. And yan, kung kunyari giniginaw yung passenger mo or ikaw, pero kung gusto mo i-sync na parehas lang kayo ng temperature or the thermostat, just press the sync button. So here's the control also. Infotainment, you can see here also, it has this yung cigarette socket, cigarette lighter socket. It has two ports, the USB-C and the USB-A. Tapos here's the knob for the four-wheel drive select. So the two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive high, and then four-wheel drive low. Here also you can see it's the shifter. Yan. You can put it into manual mode, no, plus minus. Tapos here, there are two buttons here na it's the rear differential lock. It helps you get out of the situations like stuck in the mud, stuck in the sun, pag sa ibang bansa, yung snow, etc. The rear differential lock, it provides 50-50% power on the left and the right side of the differential to get you out of the stuck situations, no. Tapos here, it's the hill descent button. If you need more engine braking assistance, especially if matarik yung bababaan mong hill, for example galing kang Baguio or sa Marcos Highway, masyadong matarik yung pababa, so it helps you do the hill braking. And when you press that, may lalabas dun sa gauge there. That's, you're already on a hill descent assist. And if you press the rear differential lock, if you press that, lalabas din sa dashboard. Ayan, lalabas din sa gauge that you're on rear differential lock. And then the VDC is off, or the vehicle dynamic control is off. Steering wheel, nice red accent, red stitch. You can see the Nissan logo here. Here you can control the audio, volume up, volume down, forward, next, back. Here at the right side of the steering wheel, call button, voice button. Here's the cruise control. If you want to cancel the cruise control, resume, set, or add more speed on the cruise control, or lower the speed here on the minus. See? Tapos here you can see adjust the brightness of the speed, brightness of the gauge. Tapos trip reset, parking sensor, and the VDC off button. So we're going to test this Navara on the road now. This is the first time that I'm going to drive a Nissan Navara. The engine is quite responsive naman, no? And of course, trademark na ng Nissan, cold AC. Currently, nasa 25 yung thermostat natin, but medyo tirik ang araw, tirik ang araw kasi tanghalin tapat. And parang yun talaga yung trademark ng Nissan, nung malamig yung aircon, kahit yung mga Nissan Sentra, Nissan LEC, yung mga lumang Nissan. It's quite spacious pickup truck, no? Dito sa front, malaki yung leg space, malaki yung leg room. Sa likod, it has decent amount of leg room naman, no? For average height of people. Pero yung mga malalaking tao, for sure, medyo may hirapan. So, ayun nga. Overall, I'm impressed with the technology of this Nissan Navara. The driver assist, the hill assist, hill start assist, hill descent assist, the rear differential lock to get you out of these situations, no? The mud and the sand situations, or it's a nice nice weather today, sunny day. So test talaga natin yung aircon niya, no. Malamig siya kung sa malamig. So we're going to do a fuel efficiency test sa Navara na to habang pinapahiram pa sa atin. If you needed power, it will give you power. Oh, this YD250 engine is around 190 PS, or that's equivalent to 187 horsepower, mga ganon. Tapos 450 Newton meters of torque. So the torque is there when you need it most, especially if you're off-roading the car, if you're going the rough terrain, off-road on the mud, sand. Yun. So you can do a 4-wheel drive select also, but here in the city it's recommended for you to only use the 2-wheel. So yun lang. And it's kinda, you know, ride height, pakiramdam mo mataas siya, para siyang SUV lang, pero for a pickup truck parang medyo nabababaan ako dun sa ride height niya. So maybe because of the size of the mugs, or the size of the tires siguro. Tapos baka kailangan ng lift kit if di ka comfy sa ano, pero mataas na rin naman, to be honest, yung height niya, yung feels. Kasi I have my other SUV, the SUV, mataas talaga yung feels nun eh, kasi because of my tires na mataas yung profile, thick tires. But you can't complain, this is all stock eh. Okay siya. Ang wala lang ata dito sa Pro 4X na ito, since this is the top of the line, you expect to have it like karoon ng adaptive cruise control, pero wala daw yun eh. Wala daw adaptive cruise control. Yung nga ba yung adaptive cruise control? For example, if you're cruising on the expressway, tapos merong nag-slow down sa harap mo, the car automatically slows down para i-adapt niya yung movement ng vehicle na nasa harap mo. Ano, masading stop, mag-emergency brake siya, like that. And one thing lang napansin ko dito, parang wala siyang seatbelt indicator. For example, tanggalin ko yung seatbelt ko, walang, tapos tumatakbo na ako, walang tumutunog na parang warning light na mag seatbelt ka or something. I don't know pero that's kinda unusual na wala siyang ganun. Kasi on other vehicles, meron yun eh, pagkaupo mo pa lang, pag start mo ng auto, tumutunog na siya yung seatbelt indicator na hindi ka naka seatbelt. Pero to wala, as in. So ayan hindi ako naka seatbelt, walang tumutunog, walang indicator light, walang warning light, even sa gauge wala. So I think they missed out on that. But overall, the car is okay. Very responsive nga siya, as I said. Okay siya sa lubak. Hindi siya matagtag. Maybe because mag-isa ko lang, pero usually pag walang laman, matagtag ang isang pickup truck eh, di ba? And maybe because instead of leaf spring, naka coil spring siya sa likod. So coil spring siya front and rear. Hindi siya naka leaf spring. Kaya medyo comfy. Parang hindi siya feeling pickup truck like other pickups that I've driven, no? Na pagka nalubak or sa humps, mararamdaman mo yung tagtag sa likod because of the leaf spring. Parang mabigat. Pero ito, yung ride niya, in comfort niya, is parang driving a Nissan Terra. Parang nag-drive ng SUV. So the feels niya is parang Nissan Terra, or you're like driving an SUV, no? Ganun yung feels. And ayan, no? Suspension. Yeah, sa camera siguro maalog, pero yung feels ko na nakaupo, hindi siya yung ganong katagtag. Sakto lang. Medyo tolerable yung ano niya, laro ng suspension niya.
For me, honestly for me, medyo comfortable na siya kaysa sa other pickup. So if you're going to buy a pickup, you might consider this Nissan Navara Pro 4X, no, the 4x4. And besides of the features that I have mentioned, you can never go wrong getting a Navara as your pickup for your business needs, hauling needs, or personal needs, whatever your purpose is, overlanding. I can say it's not a bad pickup truck. So once again, this is JZ Fetalino. To watch more videos about car reviews, you can follow us. You can follow me on my social media pages, no? Facebook, JZ Fetalino. You can follow my restoration shop as well, Garage 69 Auto Restoration. On YouTube, you can follow me as JZ Fetalino. Subscribe, make sure to subscribe and watch the videos there. Baka hindi nyo pa napapanood. And on Instagram, you can follow me at garage69_2017. On TikTok, it's JZ Fetalino as well. Thank you for watching this video on my review with this Nissan Navara Pro 4X. And see you soon on our next reviews. Bye!